When rock climbing, the climber is supported by a belayer. A rope is fed through an anchor point, and either side of the rope is attached to the climber and the belayer. It is the belayer's job to correctly manage the amount of slack in the rope between them. To do this safely, the belayer uses a belay device. A device such as this allows the climber to ascend and descend a rock wall safely. This belay device is called a gree and is assembled from several parts: the back plate, the cam handle, a torsion spring, the friction plate, the front plate, and the various screws and pins needed to hold everything in place. To use this device, we swing open the front plate and insert our rope. The front plate is then swung back in place and locked in position with the carabiner. This side of the device is the climber's side. The rope will go from here to an anchor point above the wall, and back down to the climber. This side of the device is the brake side, where the belayer will act as a brake, holding the rope tightly. As the climber ascends the rock wall, slack is created between the climber and the belayer. The belayer pulls the rope through the device to take away the slack. In the event that a climber falls, the rope will be pulled taut, causing the offset cam to rotate around the center pin. This rotation pinches the rope between the cam and the friction plate, stopping the rope from feeding out and the climber from falling. Once the climber begins to climb again, and the tension is taken out of the rope, a torsion spring connecting the cam body and center pin returns the cam to its neutral position. When a climber is ready to descend, they will sit back in their harness, pulling the rope taut and activating the cam. A handle is attached to the cam with a pin. The belayer pulls the handle, which in turn rotates the cam back towards its original position, and reducing the pinch force on the rope. By managing how much to pull on the handle, the belayer can allow the rope to slide through the device at a safe speed and allow the climber to descend. Once the climber is back on the ground, the front plate can be opened again and the rope removed.